We're super excited to be back in person together in San Antonio after 2 long years of virtual events. So much has changed over the past couple of years, and at Celerant, we've made so many enhancements to our software. So our client conference is the perfect opportunity to show our retailers and train them on all that's now made available to them. We hosted 2 inspirational keynote speakers. Marcus Sheridan spoke about how to build trust with your e-commerce site, and Paul Erickson educated us about how to win in retail in 2022.
I pulled out my notepad in the beginning to write like 1 or 2 things down. I was like, oh, that'd be good to remember. And by the time it was over, I think I had like 4 pages of notes. I was like, wow, I really have a lot of good ideas out of this. So yeah, it's a good keynote.
At Celerant, our partnerships are super important to us so that we can provide options to our retailers. And at this year's event, many of our industry partners participated, showcasing our integration, showing our retailers how they can automate their business. From frictionless checkout on your e-commerce site, to sales tax automation, to streamlining your order fulfillment and shipping.
I was very excited to come really to learn more about Celerant, meet the fellow partners who work with Celerant, and just get a better understanding of the clients that Celerant has, as well as make relationships that I'm sure will last for many years.
These summits, and I've attended I think every single one, have always been a great experience, not only for the attendees, the retailers, the users of Celerant, but also for Management One, because we learn as well. The breakout sessions are always super, super interesting and chock full of great knowledge.
We adopted Celerant software year before last, and really decided that this would be a great opportunity for us to come and learn not just from the folks at Celerant, but also from other users of the software. We were looking forward to the opportunity to talk to everybody and then see what they're doing with the software that works well for them and what we can learn from that.
If there's one thing we've learned through this pandemic, it's how important technology is to retailers. At Celerant, we're proud to have been able to support our retailers with new technology to not only help them get through the pandemic, but be stronger than ever before.